Hey friends, it's Wednesday, hump day, and welcome to the grocery haul. I've actually got two little hauls that I'm going to show you this week. The first one is this Kroger haul, and it was about $105 or $106, and I saved $45. Mainly, this was their weekly digital deals, just some fill-in items that I needed, and some pantry stuff. And also, I went to Aldi before I did my Kroger order. I love it when I have time to do that. So I got a lot of stuff there, and I'll show that to you after the Kroger haul. So let me show you what I got. Here is the Kroger overview, and what you don't see here is 3 cases of waters. They were 24 bottles in each one. Those were on digital special this week, and I hadn't bought waters in a while. I still have a few cases, but I like to stock up when it's on sale, and then I don't have to buy it at full price. You know, that is how I roll with pretty much all my grocery items. Also, there's 3 6-pack bottles of Diet Mountain Dew for Patrick as well. And this week I will do like I always do, and if I got a really good deal, I'll throw the price up on the screen for you. If not, it's just the same old prices that it always is. So anyhow, let's start back here. I always grab some toilet paper now. Don't ever want to be without that. I opened my last pack of butter, and I had gotten a deal on these. They have at Kroger's now. It's 2 packs in one. I got these a while back for $5 a piece. Today, I think I had to pay a little bit more, but I was completely out of butter, and it is cheaper to buy it in the double pack than if you bought each one of these single. So that's what I did. I got 1 hamburger Totino's. Got a bag of chopped frozen green bell peppers. I love to keep these in the freezer for casseroles and meals when I may not have a fresh one on hand. The frozen chopped onions, I'm having a really hard time getting those. I like to keep a stockpile of them in my freezer, but I've had no luck the last couple of grocery hauls. These bruschettas were on sale. I don't remember. I'll put the price up like I said, but I got a rising crust 4 cheese, one of them. I got a 4-pack of the Jimmy Dean frozen sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits for my husband. But I actually meal prepped this morning for him a whole 6-pack of the English muffins. And I fried the sausage and fried the eggs, put them all together with some cheese. So he's good for this week. And Jimmy Dean sausage was on special this week. So I got 2 rolls of it. I got a roll of hot and then a roll of a regular. These little bags of cheese, the 2-cup bags, were $2. So I just grabbed a couple of the ones that we don't use quite in bulk. I got some Monterey Jack and a bag of Parmesan. Probably just stick those in the freezer. I ordered my White Lily self-rising flour. They were out. They subbed me Kroger's. I'm sure that will be just fine. And then I ordered 3 Rivers cornmeal. And I don't know, I think that may just be a regional thing. I'm not sure, but they showed it on the app. They were out, and they gave me White Lily, which is also fine. A lot of times I will get the White Lily buttermilk cornmeal mix. But anyhow, that will be fine too. The white or the Martha White muffin mixes were $1, so I just replaced 2 that I had made last weekend, I think. I always grab a thing of taco seasoning, a bag of pepperonis, the water flavoring, and the gum for the kids. Hellman's was a decent price, and there was a coupon on it, so I grabbed a Hellman's for the pantry, 2 cans of green beans, a thing of petite diced tomatoes just to replenish things I've used this week. The Betty Crocker cake mixes and all different types of brownie mixes were on sale for 70-something cents. You can get up to 5. I think I've mentioned that before on the weekly digital sales. You can redeem that coupon and use it up to 5 times in the same trip. So I ordered just various different ones, and what I ended up with was 2 milk chocolate brownies. Stick those back in the pantry. Quick, easy desserts for the week. A box of our macaroni and cheese we love. I got some straws, some quart-sized freezer bags, and a box of Kleenex. We love the little pretzels and cheese dip. And I got a loaf of bread. I'm going to put this tripod down and see if you can see this. It's hilarious. I got this loaf of bread. I buy this pretty much every week. And I thought when I picked it up, it felt kind of funny at the end. And look how much package there is left down here. It's like maybe it was cut funny, the packaging. Well, I got to looking at the bread, and it's not smushed at all. It's really not smushed, but it's like it baked up really little, or it's been cut funny. But look how little the last piece of bread is. Look how it gets, like, it just narrows and tapers off towards the end. Look how little that is. That just cracked me up. I've never seen that happen before. I don't know if that was funny. Anywho, let's move on. I got a couple of party-size Ruffles and Doritos. These were a digital coupon this week. I think I ordered 5 different varieties. I know I ordered some Cool Ranch they were out of, and I don't remember what all else. But, you know, that's how I do on these digital coupons. I'll just throw 5 items out there. I don't necessarily want 5, but with substitutions like they are, you know, it's just like rolling the dice. We'll just choose 5 and see what we end up with. And it's fine, whatever it is. It's just, it'll be used. It'll go in lunches and be used. This is a real treat. We hadn't got these in a while because they are really pricey, but they were also on sale this week. And we love these. I like the snapped better than the puffy ones. But we got a double cheese and a cheddar and sour cream. Then I've got produce, and this is all because you will see in the Aldi haul all that I have from produce there. But I got a bag of red potatoes and a red onion. I'm going to make something this week for my husband. He eats whatever I make, but you know there are just some things that your family loves. You know what they like. And he is a potato lover. And I come across this recipe, and it's just got a funny name. It's called Man Lovin' Potatoes. And I just have to make it for him this week. So you'll see that in Sunday's What's for Dinner. And I got me a red bell pepper and this red onion. I can't remember if I said that or not. But anyhow, that is everything for the Kroger haul. Now I will show you what I got at Aldi. Okie doke, here's what I got at Aldi. It was about $73. If I have time, I like to go to Aldi before I get my regular groceries for the week. Sometimes I can just get things a lot cheaper there and some little staple stock-up items. So that's what I did this Saturday. I had time. Me and Maddie were out running around, so we went by Aldi's. The first thing I got was this 6 rolls of paper towels. I like these just fine, and it's the Selecta size, which I really like. I broke down and I got some paper plates. I hadn't bought paper plates in a long time, but I just went ahead and did it. Summer's here, and you know, we'll need them for picnics and stuff. I got 2 bags of sugar. I'm getting ready to have to put one of these in my sugar canister over there. And then I did not have another one back in the pantry, so I just went ahead and got 2 of those. Got this bag of Vidalia onions for $2. And I am leery when I buy onions by the bag a lot of times. Some of them are not good and they go bad real quick. Last time I was at Aldi, I got a bag of these, and they were so good. Every one of them was fresh and stayed good for a long time. So I got another thing of those. I got just a little over a pound of red grapes. Those were on sale this week. Another thing, the mini cucumbers. They were not necessarily on sale. They were like $2, but they felt really good and fresh. And I love the little ones too. So went ahead and got a thing of those. Got a package of green onions, been going through those, and got a head of lettuce as well. Splurged and got the deluxe cheese, which we always love. And I went ahead and got this small bag of frozen tilapia fillets. We really enjoyed that fish that I made. And I had a big bag of it in the freezer that I cooked out of. So I think there's like maybe 2 left in it. And this should have 4 fillets. So I just went ahead and got this too. I've got this little 2 strawberry yogurts and some whipped topping. Can you guess what's going to go down with that? Got a couple of crescent rolls. I will always grab crescent rolls when I'm in there if they have them in stock. Went ahead and got a thing of cooking oil. Aldi's still just the cheapest place I found it yet. They had this on rollback or whatever they call it whenever they go a little bit cheaper. Their ketchup was like $1.49, so I went ahead and grabbed one just to throw back in the pantry. I'm going to try their Worcestershire sauce. I've been pleased with everything Aldi brand. This was 99 cents, and I'm about to finish up a jar. Just grabbed a thing of tomato paste and a can of refried beans because I have used them out of my pantry this week. We're just about out of honey, so I grabbed the little bear. I haven't had any local honey this year, but I need to get to the farmer's market here next weekend or so and get some. Grabbed a jar of minced garlic. Grabbed some salsa con queso. Here's the cracker and chip situation. These are the 3 things, or really the 5 things, that I will always get at Aldi when I go in there. My husband's favorite cookies. These are like Girl Scout tag-alongs, but super cheap. I always get him the Nutty Bars and the Swiss Rolls. He likes to take those in his lunch. I love crackers, and these right here, they're as good as Ritz to me. And my kids loved their Cheez-Its. And this one's the white cheddar. So they were really, there was just a few boxes of these left, and all they had was Toasty and white cheddar. I would have chosen Toasty, but anyhow, I'll always grab these too. These are so delicious. The cinnamon churros, that's a nice sweet little treat. Got some hot dog buns so we can have a quick dinner this week. Couple more staple items. Went ahead and grabbed the onion soup mix for the pantry. Grabbed a couple more ranch dressing packs. I always get a couple cans of cream of chicken and cream of mushroom soup if they have it when I'm in there. Here's the rest of my dessert treat, the strawberry jello and the graham cracker pie crust. Now do you know what's going down with these items? Remember the fluffy key lime pie? I'm going to make us a fluffy strawberry one and see how that works out. So anyhow, there is my Aldi haul. Okay, friends, that wraps it up. I hope that gives you a little bit of ideas for this week and just a few little different things. So be sure and tune in Sunday for another What's for Dinner. And until then, I send you love from my kitchen.